Did you know one man killed 5% of the entire world's population and built monuments from their skulls? Meet Timur the Lame, also called Tamerlane. This 14th century warlord started as a sheep thief with a crippled leg, but he became ruler of the largest land empire since Genghis Khan. Timur had a terrifying signature move. After capturing cities, he built massive pyramids using 70,000 skulls of the people who lived there. He even stuck the living heads of enemy leaders between the skulls with mortar. When he conquered Delhi, he massacred 100,000 prisoners in a single day. His reason? They were eating too much grain. This brutal genius defeated three massive empires at once: the Ottomans, the Golden Horde, and the Delhi Sultanate. His military strategies were so brilliant that enemies trembled at his name. But here's the ultimate irony. After killing an estimated 17 million people, this monster of history died peacefully in his sleep. He was planning to conquer China next. Sometimes the most ruthless conquerors meet the gentlest ends.